Hi, this is Ankita from TrackOlap. This video is regarding the functionality of the Google Sheet integration, that is, how it works and how it helps our customers to get the data in real time. First of all, I will show you how we do the integration with the Google Sheet. For the integration, the customer has to log in his TrackWeek admin account, and in the admin account, he will see the two tabs here: connections and automations. In the connections tab, he will create a connection for the Google account. Yes, for that Google account through which he wants to integrate. But before integration, the customer has to log in the Google account first. Now, like, I have logged in my Google account, so I will create a new channel here. To create a new channel, click on add channel and mention the channel name, that is the Google integration, and select the connection type Google spreadsheet, because I am creating a connection with the Google spreadsheet, and click on the create. Now the channel is created successfully. Now I have to connect with my Google account. For that, uh, now the track week has asked me to select account. Like, I have selected this account to integrate, and now it has asked me to access the Google account. And when I allow the permission, my channel has created successfully. Now my Google account is successfully connected with my traffic account. If I want, I can also revoke the connection by click on the disconnect button. The first step is completed. I have connected my Google account with the traffic account. Now click on the automations tab. Now I have to create a trigger. Yes, the trigger of the task completed. Here, what we do: whenever the employee completes the task, a separate row should create in the Google spreadsheet. For that trigger, we have to add a trigger in the automation. Give the automation name here, task completed, and select the automation type, that is trigger. Now select the trigger name, task completed, select the task form here, and select the action, email or add to Google spreadsheet. I have selected the add to Google spreadsheet. As soon as I selected here, the system will ask me to select the channel, that is the Google integration. The channel is that channel I have created in the first step. Yes, in the connections tab, I have created the this channel, and in this channel I have connected my Google account. After selecting the channel, all the spreadsheets that are created under this Google account will come in the list. See, all the spreadsheets will come under this list, and now select the spreadsheet in which you want the data. And after selecting the spreadsheet, the sheets created under this spreadsheet will also come here. Right now only one sheet is created, so I will select the sheet here. If more than one sheets are created, the list of sheets will come, and admin will select the sheet and click on create button to create the trigger. Now my trigger is created successfully, but the status is still disabled. To enable it, I have to change the status. Now I have changed the status, and yes, the integration with my Google sheet has done successfully. And whenever employee completes the task on this form, the on this selected form, the data will automatically come in this spreadsheet in the selected sheet. Here you can see the manage sheet data. By clicking on this manage sheet data, the number of columns will create come automatically, and this in this column we will map the data. Like in column 1, what data I want: task name, created type, task assignee. These are the columns of our task entities. And yes, if you don't want any entity, just click on just remove the column and update the button, and you can also add more columns here by clicking on the add more columns. So here, so this is how we are mapping the data in the Google spreadsheet. Now the trigger of the task completed is created successfully. Now I will show you how the data will come in the integrated Google Sheet. We have created the trigger of the task completed. So whenever the employee completes the task, a separate entry will created in the Google Sheet. I will show you how. This is the employee account, and there is a one task pending on employee. Whenever this employee completes that task, the details of this task will automatically come in the Google Sheet. Let's start the task and complete it. Mention the remarks here and complete the task. Now my task is completed, and you can see here the this is the spreadsheet that I have integrated. And yes, you can see a separate entry will automatically come in this sheet. So this is how useful our Google integration is. Whenever employee completes the task, automatically data will come in the Google Sheet. The admin or customer don't have to export the data in the Excel and import the data in the Google Sheet. The real time data will come in the sheet, and customers can analyze, track the data in the real time. So that's how our Google integration works. Thank you so much.